Isa ka bang grade 10 completers at hindi mo pa alam or nalilito at nahihirapan ka pang pumili ng strand sa darating na pasukan? Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jen Rose T, and today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to choose your senior high school strand. But before everything, if bago ka pa lang sa channel ko or naligaw ka lang sa channel ko, please consider to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking new upload videos. And without any further ado, let's get started. Are you really confused kung ano bang strand ang pipiliin mo? So, sa pagpili ng strand, dapat pinag-iisipan mo talaga. So, meron tayong 5 pagpipilian na strand. Una, STEM, UMS, EBM, GAS, and TVL. Okay, dapat din sa pagpili ng strand, you should be wise enough. Yung tipong hindi mo pagsisisihan kung bakit yan ang pinili mong strand. Right? When choosing a strand, dapat alam mo kung ano ba kukunin mo na course. Ano ba talaga ang gusto mo in the near future? So, halimbawa, if gusto mo mag-teacher, you should choose the UM strand. If gusto mo mag-engineer, you should choose STEM. For business, dun ka sa IBM. If gusto mo naman ng agriculture, dun ka sa TVL. If ever you really can't decide what strand you will choose or you will take, in short, undecided ka talaga kung anong kukunin mo, well, I prefer you to take GAS. That's it for today's video. I hope nagustuhan nyo ang aking videos. If you have any clarification, questions, and suggestion, you can comment down below para ma-notice kita at masagot ko ang mga tanong nyo. Anyways, if gusto nyo magpa-shoutout sa channel ko, you can comment. Mag-comment lang kayo if gusto nyo magpa-shoutout, and I would really appreciate kung meron man. So, hanggang sa muli, kita-kits sa aking panibagong videos. Bye-bye!